Starting a chicken farming business in South Africa? Avoid these common mistakes for a successful venture. Mistake number 1, neglecting to conduct thorough market research before diving in headfirst. Lack of knowledge about local demand and market dynamics can lead to poor decision-making. Mistake number 2, underestimating the importance of building proper infrastructure for your farm. Neglecting to invest in reliable housing, feeding, and watering systems can compromise the health of your chickens. Mistake number 3, not paying enough attention to biosecurity measures. Failing to implement biosecurity protocols can quickly lead to disease outbreaks and economic losses. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong breed of chickens for your specific goals and conditions. Ensure you select a breed that is well suited to your climate, market demands, and intended purpose. Mistake number 5, insufficiently planning for the cost of feed and other ongoing expenses. Feeding chickens can be expensive, so make sure to account for these costs in your budget. Mistake number 6, ignoring the importance of proper record keeping and financial management. Keeping accurate records will help track expenses, assess profitability, and plan for future growth. Mistake number 7, neglecting to establish a strong relationship with a veterinarian. Regular veterinary care is essential for disease prevention and maintaining the health of your flock. Mistake number 8, overlooking the significance of marketing and branding your farm. Without effective marketing, it can be challenging to attract customers and establish a profitable customer base. Mistake number 9, failing to create a contingency plan for unexpected challenges or setbacks. Be prepared to handle emergencies, such as disease outbreaks or supply chain disruptions. Mistake number 10, not seeking advice and mentorship from experienced chicken farmers. Connect with industry professionals who can provide guidance and share their expertise in the field. Connect with industry professionals who can provide guidance and share their expertise in the field. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of success as a chicken farmer in South Africa. Remember to prioritize research, infrastructure, biosecurity, breed selection, budgeting, record keeping, veterinary care, marketing, contingency planning, and seeking guidance. Good luck on your journey to a thriving and profitable chicken farming business.